Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay with Zoom. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to start paying for their Zoom monthly subscriptions or yearly subscriptions with Apple Pay. How do you actually connect Apple Pay? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first we're going to log on to our Zoom account, and then on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon and then click on Plans and Billing. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see multiple tabs that say Plan Management, Billing Management, and Payment History. Click on Billing Management, and then on this page here, you're going to see this option called Payment Methods with your current payment method connected. Click on Add Backup Payment Method. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see multiple different payment methods which you can connect to your Zoom account. So you have credit card or debit card, PayPal, and then Apple Pay. Click on Apple Pay, and then here you're going to check this box where you authorize Zoom to automatically charge your backup payments. So click on Authorize, and then from here, if you're using an eligible Apple device, Apple Pay should pop up on your device. So currently I'm on a laptop, so Apple Pay isn't going to appear. But if you have your phone with you and you use this method as far as checking this box and authorizing Zoom, Apple Pay should pop up so that you can prompt it and authorize it to start paying for any Zoom charges. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Pay with Zoom. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.